Bertrand is a lovely community in New Brunswick. It is located on the Acadian Peninsula in Gloucester County and offers a blend of natural beauty and rich history. Bertrand is situated at the mouth of the Caraquet River, where it flows into Caraquet Bay, just about 10 kilometers west of Caraquet. The region is known for its picturesque coastal landscapes along the North Shore, Miramichi Bay, the Gulf of St. Lawrence, and the Bay of Shalott. Bertrand was founded in 1786 and was a village until January 1, 2023. On that date, it joined with 3 other villages and parts of 4 local service districts to form the new town of Rivière-du-Nord. Despite this change, Bertrand's name is still officially used, reflecting its rich Acadian heritage and historical significance. The Acadian Peninsula in New Brunswick is renowned for its rich cultural heritage and vibrant Acadian communities.
Thank you very much.
Visitors can enjoy stunning coastal landscapes along the shores of the Gulf of St. Lawrence and the Bay of Shalott. The area offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination in the province.